Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Focus back seat. First, gather your tools. You will need a T40 Torx socket for most bolts and a T45 Torx socket for the seat belt anchors. A flathead screwdriver and a rubber mallet can assist with stubborn clips. Always ensure your work area is well lit and clear of obstructions for a safe and efficient process. Taking a few moments to prepare saves time later. Now, let's tackle the lower seat cushion. Begin by locating the two T40 Torx bolts at the very front of the seat base, near the floor, and remove them. Once unbolted, firmly push the entire seat base towards the rear of the car. This action helps disengage the rear clips. Then, lift the front edge of the cushion upwards to fully release it, allowing you to carefully remove it from the vehicle. With the lower cushion out, it's time to address the seat belts and seat back. Use your T45 Torx socket to remove the 3 seat belt mounting points. Remember to unloop the shoulder straps from their elastic guides on both the left and right sides. Next, locate and remove the 2 T40 Torx bolts securing the bottom of the seat back. Finally, find and remove the middle hinge bolt using your T40 Torx socket. For the final step, push the seat back sections forward, which may reveal any hidden bolts. Remove any remaining T40 Torx screws you find. Now, gently lift and wiggle each seat back section upwards to disengage them from their top hooks. With a little careful maneuvering, the seat backs will come free. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all bolts and clips are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.